Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of my 30-day challenge, building a morning ritual. Today I'm going to talk about affirmations and how you can use them to reprogram your subconscious mind and achieve success. So, you want to use positive phrasing and avoid negative. You want to affirm what you want, not what you don't want. You get what you focus on. I am affirmations are extremely powerful. An example, I am grateful for the opportunity this day offers me to improve myself and enjoy my life. Use the present tense. Include an action word ending in ing. Make use of at least one emotion or feeling word. And you really want to let yourself feel that emotion when you're doing your affirmations. Make your affirmations for yourself and not others, just like your goals. Do what you want, not what you want or what you think others want you to do. And be specific to your goals and your affirmations. An example is I'm easily earning blank amount of money a day doing what I love. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.